Can a walker be used as a wheelchair? It's a really good question and I'm glad you asked. The short answer is no. The long answer is sometimes. There are some walkers that actually have wheelchair footplates that can swing around and help somebody if they're walking a long distance in the shops with somebody, but they can only walk so far and then do need to take a rest and maybe be pushed. And they also have some different handles on them. The model I have with me today is not that model, however, and I'm just going to use this as an example. So some have foot plates and I would be able to have my feet on them and rest here while somebody pushes me around. The important thing, however, is it's not a replacement for a wheelchair. It's only for a shortish distance. This would have no pressure relieving qualities in the chair. It has no postural support. It's not fit for purpose for any length really as a wheelchair. It's just a backup function. So short answer is no, long answer is sometimes it can be a backup option if somebody's ran out of energy and is fatigued and they need something to rest on.